Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the Nikon D5300 digital SLR camera dual lens kit, model B01M5JMQ1R. This kit comes bundled with the AF-PDX Nikkor 18 to 55mm f3.5 to 5.6 GVR lens and the AF-PDX Nikkor 70 to 300mm f4.5 to 6.3 GED lens, promising a versatile shooting experience. The 24.78 MP maximum webcam image resolution ensures stunning detail in your photos. The camera boasts a photo sensor smaller than 1 4-inch Austrian shillings, providing a compact yet powerful imaging solution. With digital and VR image stabilization, your shots stay steady even in challenging conditions. The Nikon D5300 features a quick 1/4000 seconds max shutter speed, capturing fast-paced moments with precision. The ENEL14A rechargeable Li-ion battery, accompanied by the MH24 quick charger, keeps you shooting for extended periods. For connectivity, the EG-CP16 Nikon audio-video cable offers seamless integration with external devices. Whether you're a beginner or an enthusiast, this camera kit promises to elevate your photography game. Stay tuned as we explore the performance, image quality, and real-world usability of the Nikon D5300 dual lens kit in this comprehensive review. If you're considering stepping up your photography gear, this might just be the kit for you. Let's jump right in. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.